Hello everyone, welcome to Tarot Arc. This is Anandita and thank you so much for being here today. I'll be doing the zodiac reading for all the Geminis. This is a reading from 1st August to 15th August 2020, how it will be. So let's start for all the Geminis. Also, please remember it's a general reading. So some things may or may not, agree to your situation completely. So please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. And let's start now. All right, so Geminis, you have managed to, bring things under your control, and the past has been you, taking decisions for yourself and working hard. Also, this month of August, 15 days, 1st to 15th, it definitely brings you a lot of, you know, new projects or plans that you need to execute, and everything will be put in for you on a platter. If the stage is set for you, basically you need to really make the executions and you need to execute everything very well. A lot of you need to be aware of your surroundings of the and also of the people who you are working with, because I definitely see that you're not alone in a for a lot of you this is not just about yourself, it's about your partners, it's about your people who are working with you, or for the people who are you know in certain surroundings, your career, your colleagues, anybody. Just beware of them. Your hard work is going to pay off, you are in the right direction, but a few quarrels, arguments here and there, you might want to leave the situation, might want to leave the project. A little bit of stress, on the work front, I see for a lot of you. But overall, there is divine grace, there is divine intervention. So please hang on in there. If you even feel the need to just, quit, please don't do that. Things are, for your good, and things are definitely happening for you. Things will happen the way you want them to. It's just that your execution and planning has to be like of top priority, and make sure that whatever work you're delegating to others, or whatever you are doing, business ventures or anything, if you have partners involved, make sure that you can trust them completely, and give them the kind of work you think can doesn't really require too much of planning from their end. You should be the one who should be holding on to all the you know planning and everything. Also, on the financial front, things are definitely getting balanced out. If in the past you faced financial issues, or you haven't really got results in the past, these 15 days are sure to give you a balanced result. Whatever hard work you've put in, the results are coming in a positive way for you. It is a time you will be stressed out, maybe because of work, and with too much responsibility, too much work, with new things happening. Stress is bound to happen, but this stress is not in a negative manner or something. This is just your own efforts to achieve greater heights. It's that kind of a stress, and I definitely see things changing for you on a very positive level. Things are really becoming better for you on in all aspects of your growth. Things are definitely helping you out. This is a time which is for your growth and betterment, these 15 days. Let's see how the health front is. Health front is definitely good, positive, and especially for women who are Gemini, this is a beautiful time for you. You need to spend a lot of your energy on doing creative things. It's really going to help you. People who are in the creative field, this is the wonderful time for you to excel. Family planning is on the cards. So people who were thinking of, going towards thinking of family planning, or planning a baby, this is a wonderful time for you. Don't take too much stress. This stress, I know, is building up in you, but it is nothing to just release all the negativity, whatever emotions and all you've pent up in kept pent up in yourself, just release them, because whatever best is for you has been planned by the universe. Things are going to be balanced out for you. whatever hard work you've put in, you are getting the results. If things weren't working out in the past or you were ignoring things, this is the time that your hard work will pay off. Family life is definitely blooming. People who require help in terms of finances or in terms of other resources, I see contentment on the cards. I see you getting help, a feeling of winning. The spirit of achieving is in you, which is very important, and there's a whole change in your life for the better. A lot of you might, for work, travel to a lot of places. Traveling is on the cards, especially for work, and this work definitely brings you prosperity, and finances are definitely better than what they were before. You're getting your due. Your hard work is paying off. Let's see what the Moonology cards are advising you to do in these 15 days of August 1st to 15th 2020. So like I've already said, that new things, new opportunities are coming your way. Planning is on the cards for you, execution. So the Moonology cards are also saying and confirming that a new start is coming your way. And like I've said, that for those of you whose past, your recent past, things were not happening for you, or you were avoiding a lot of things because of your own inhibitions, the cards are telling you, please don't hold back, or don't let your past hold you back. This is a time of balance. Whatever you have given is coming back to you in a very positive manner. So if you've given your best to a relationship, now it's your time to reap the benefits of that. Same goes for work and career will now start paying you the results of whatever you have put in. And also, like I've already said, that don't let your past hold you back. This is a wonderful time for you to balance out things. And a lot of you who are not very spiritually inclined, this is a wonderful time to introspect. The cards are definitely asking you to become a little spiritual also. And for those who are very spiritual, you need to be seeing the practical aspect of life too. Answers are definitely coming. Those who are seeking answers for whatever the questions there are in their minds, answers, this is a wonderful time for you to get results, for you to get answers. And also your hard work is paying off. So like I already said, that you've worked hard, your results are definitely on the cards. Things might not be very gloomy and very happy in the beginning of August, but towards the middle and towards the end, things are definitely becoming better for you, and things are you are taking control. I have already said that planning and execution is very important for you all. So make sure that you make your plans well, and your goals should be set. The Moonology cards are also telling you that great spiritual growth will be experienced. So this is a time, like I said, balance is the key, and balance your spirituality and practicality, yes. So please make sure that you are spiritually connected, because this is a time for wonderful spiritual growth. This is a time where the angels are just watching over you. They are moving around you, and the wishes that you make will be just granted by the angel gods. Like I had already said, that there's a big change in your life for the positive, so that's definitely coming. For a lot of you, good news is on the cards. Good news is arriving soon in these 15 days of August 2020. And please be in an attitude of gratitude. Please thank the Almighty for whatever you have got. There is it's not always about you getting what you desired. It's also about that whatever you have, the Almighty has given you, whether in terms of knowledge, whether in terms of experience, learning, anything that the Almighty has given you, small, in any small thing also, you need to be in an attitude of gratitude and an attitude of thanking the universe. If you are feeling that there is a problem, remember that there is divine intervention. Problems are coming to an end. There is a solution, and things will happen in the most unexpected manner. You never even thought of this to happen, and it's already happened for you. Balance is the key. Don't get overburdened. Don't get into a mode where you can't achieve balance. Don't just put in all your hard work. You're having sleepless night, you're working. That is not going to help you. It's not about creating any balance. things have to go hand in hand. Leisure, work, spirituality, everything has to be in balance for you. Otherwise, it's going to be a very stressful time for you. You are not going to be able to balance out things. Things are going to be, you're going to be very overburdened, because I see that you have the spirit of achieving, you have the spirit, you have the determination, but remember, you are human. You can't just achieve everything overnight. So go slow, weigh your action plan, make plans for yourself. Don't just keep going in, just in a hasty manner, and then one fine day you just, stop with a thud, and you're like, no, I can't do it anymore. So you definitely need to make your plans, execute them well. Balance is the key. And I see things going in your favor. It might take some time. Don't get disheartened. And I've already said for a lot of you that this is a time to be watchful over your surroundings, over your partners, over the people who you are working with. It's very important. You need to know who is the right person, who is the one who's your actual well-wisher, because you don't really know. You're working with a lot of people. You don't really know who is the well-wisher and who's not the actual friend. So that choice, that decision, that conscious effort has to be made. And rest, things are definitely working in your favor. Finances will start growing soon, and you are the master of your destiny. It's very clear from the cards that whatever you do, the efforts that you put in are definitely going to give you the fruits of your hard work, and things are very positive for you on the whole. There is nothing to worry. It's just that it's taking some time, but your struggle is definitely coming to an end towards the end of these 15 days. So I hope that this reading was resonant with all you Geminis, and please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, and also so that you can get posted every time I put a new video. And I'll be coming back with more such readings. Thank you so much. I'll be signing off now.